Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing and review on this UGREEN Nexode fast charger. So we're going to break the seals right here. I could have just peeled those away, looks like, but let's open it up. Let's see exactly what comes in this box. All right, this looks pretty cool. Huh. Pretty neat. What else comes in? Nothing. So nothing here. Some instructions. Oh, okay, so you plug, there's the plugins on top. Okay, so those are just feet. You plug this into an outlet, and then you're gonna have two USB-Cs and a USB-A. Huh, pretty neat. And these are just the feet to help it stand. Looks like there is, remove this film right here. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in. We got a display here. It's a little dim, but there's what the display looks like. In the manual that comes with it, it says that's going to stay on. That means there's no device connected. So you'll constantly have this on there if no device is connected. Now, if it's charging something, you'll have that. And if it's fully charged, looks like the nose goes out. Okay, so let's charge up an iPhone with it. I've got a lightning cable here. Let's plug it into a phone, see how it does. All right, so it starts charging. And we can see we got the eyebrows now. So when you got the eyebrows, that means it's charging. And let's plug the USB-A port in. And let's charge another iPhone and see what we get. Okay, so it's charging this phone also. So we can charge two iPhones at the same time. And there's what the display looks like. And there's what, I got another USB-C port coming out the top. So this is a 65 watt 3-port charger, input 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. So the two USB-C outputs, looks like one's a little bit different. So USB-C 1 can go up to 65 watts, whereas the other one can only go to 30 watts. And so this one's gonna have more power. The C1 will have more power than the C2, and it's definitely gonna have more power than the A. So both of them have 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 3 amps, 12 volts for, C2 is 12 volts, 2.5 amps. C1 is 12 volts, 3 amps. 15 volts at 3 amps, yeah. So C1, USB-C1 has more power pretty much everywhere. In the 15 volt range, the 20 volt range. Yeah. Now USB-A, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps, 10 volts, 2.25 amps for 22.5 watts max. Okay, time to measure it. So 1 3/4, but with the plug-in, about 2.5. Left to right, you're looking at about 1 3/4. So it's like a 1 3/4 cube, 1.5 that way. You know, the little feet are nice, but you're probably going to lose that or something. I mean, they do stay on there, but you're going to plug it in and you may lose where the feet are. But it's kind of neat looking with the little display. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.